Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to a new video about irregular verbs in English. Another week, so another 10 more irregular verbs. A quick recap on why we do this video series. The most used verbs in any language are almost always irregular verbs, which means these verbs do not follow the normal rules. In this playlist, you will read those irregulars and hear those irregulars, so you can practice the writing and the pronouncing. Good luck! Kneel, knelt, knelt. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led. Lean, lent, lent. Learn, learnt, learnt. Leave, left, left. Lend, lent, lent. Lie, lay, lain. Lie, lied, lied. Let's do that again. Now practice the pronunciation with me. Kneel, knelt, knelt. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led. Lean, lent, lent. Learn, learnt, learnt. Leave, left, left. Lend, lent, lent. Lie, lay, lain. And lie, lied, lied. Now you know how to conjugate and pronounce these irregular verbs. Make sure to keep on practicing by reading them aloud and/or re-watching the video until you know them all by heart. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for our next Begrepen video.